I'm going to show you how to make cocoa paste with a juicer and how to turn that cocoa paste into milk chocolate. I start with organic cacao nibs, which come from harvested cacao pods. The first step is to warm the cacao nibs in the oven to loosen the oils, making them easier to grind. This is the juicer I'll be using. It's equipped with functions capable of grinding nuts into nut butter, and in this case, cacao nibs into cacao paste. Now, I'm not recommending this machine, just demonstrating how those with similar machines can make use of this function. The cacao nibs go in through the juicer funnel and come out at the bottom. It needs to go through the grinder a few times to become smooth. I'm switching between 2 bowls and 4 filters. It doesn't look very appealing now, but after a few turns through the grinder, that can change. When the cocoa liquor cools down, it thickens up like this. This phase can be used to temper the chocolate, but I won't pretend to be a professional at this part. Chocolate making is an art. But I will demonstrate my intention, which is to make vegan treats with pure ingredients from scratch. Instead of dairy milk powder, I will be adding coconut milk powder. Although it is dried coconut milk, the coconut flavor is undetectable in the chocolate. Another option to soften the cacao flavor would be to use soy milk powder instead. Now that I've added enough milk, I will separate this chocolate into 3 portions so that I can test 3 sweeteners. As you can see, the chocolate grit has become more noticeable. This is partially because not even a heavy-duty grinder can compare to a chocolate stone mill. And it's partially because the coconut powder wasn't fine enough. But given the fact that this is homemade chocolate, I think it's good enough. Now I'm pouring the chocolate into pretty molds and simply getting creative because this is what DIY projects are all about. There are people who create to achieve perfection, and there are people who just want vegan chocolate. I made almond nougat for the filling, and it tastes incredible. I also made a bit of caramel without butter. And I've been refrigerating the chocolate in between layers. This is what the milk chocolate looks like with whole brown sugar. Far from perfect, but the end results may just prove that perfection isn't that important. This is the milk chocolate mixed with monk fruit extract, which is a very strong sweetener that doesn't have an aftertaste. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.